I'm really excited about this piece of your box. So everybody has one, whether the student is necessarily working on cutting or not. If they've mastered it, or if they're just starting to hold scissors, or if they're not doing cutting at all. I just thought these were really fun. So everyone has like a cutting station. It's made of recycled materials. So it has like a base and it's glued in pretty well. And there's a roll. And each roll is catered to your students' needs. So if they're working on letter identification or number identification, that's what they'll find on their roll. If they're working on memorizing addition facts or working on sight words, that's what you'll find on their roll. If they're working on identifying shapes, maybe doing some same or different colors, that's what will be on their roll. So the ideas for this can be one of those independent activities. We might put it in the assignment task list for today. It's not something that should be done like all in one day. It's kind of, you just kind of go do a couple cutting practice. Some of the lines might be curved or at an angle. Again, if they're working on just straight lines or just holding, don't worry. If you can cut it for them and then just have the practice papers. So the idea is that they would cut it out and then work on whatever is on the paper. So if it's identifying letters, then you can work on identifying those letters in a field of 3, or practice saying them, practice saying the letter sounds, read those sight words, mix up the sight words and make a funny sentence that probably won't make sense, and practice those math facts that's there. So that's what's on there. It's kind of fun. As it goes, it will roll out. Hopefully it'll last a little while, and then we can probably refresh the roll over time. So if you end up out of a roll, we can get more. And the middle pole slides out, and then you can take the roll off. So everyone has one of those. I think it's pretty fun and exciting. There's a clothespin on each one, so at the end of the day, if you want to clip it kind of like that, and then it kind of stays put and won't get all the way unrolled. So there you go. That's their individual cutting station.